Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to Ananya. Ananya is a ChatGPT style assistant which enables you to talk to your own data. I know that I have covered a lot of similar tools, but let's review one more. Ananya's creator has said that this Ananya is a ChatGPT with superpower because when you talk to ChatGPT, it still provides you older stale data which it has been trained on last year. But with Ananya, you get real time access to Google, plus, you can also give your own documents as data source. And we will see it shortly. Now, there are a lot of other good features about Ananya that which are enterprise grade, one I should say. For example, you can use Ananya to translate English questions to SQL queries. You can also create interactive charts to understand your data better. You can also analyze your data while keeping it secure on your own servers. Plus, you can also do a lot of other integrations. You can use ChatGPT prompts with customization, and it also supports both structured and unstructured data in one place. Another good thing is that not only you can use it, I think there's SaaS version, but you can also install it on your on-prem behind your firewall. I think that is one area where it shines through. Now, in order to set it up, all you need to do is to just connect to Ananya, and that's about it. And one thing I really like about Ananya that the AI engine behind Ananya can process both big and semi-structured data sets. Big data and advanced analytics are supported in their custom plan, and unfortunately I wasn't able to see it, so I might contact them to get more insight into that one. But for now, let me show you how it works. So just click on free trial. Once you click on free trial, sign up with your email account, you are on this screen. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, much better. Now on the left hand side there are some chat demos like Unicorn, Football, World Bank, and then you can have your own chat. Now there are two ways to chat to Ananya. One, you can simply click on let's chat and start chatting with Ananya, or you can give your own data as a sort of custom data for its context. So let me give it maybe an Excel file here. So let's click on Excel. It says that allowed file format is Excel, not exceed 5 MB. I think mine is less than 5 MB, and names are quite good. So let me go there, and so this is the file which contains a financial sample data or dummy data. So let me connect it, and if it has multiple sheets, only one will be shown. So 700 records have been imported. Let me explore my file. Now you can show SQL behind it. You can do follow-up questions, or you can even go with the chart. So maybe I will go with the charts. I'll just say draw me a country wise bar chart with sales for 2023. Let's see, it's a bit hard, so let's see it is able to do it. Okay, so how many unique products are there? 6. Okay, how many countries are there? 5. Okay, which country has the most sales? Yes, that's correct. That is true. Okay, can you draw a chart of countries sales as per country? Okay, so can you draw a chart with countries and products sold in that country? Okay, so you see that when it is coming to chart, it is not really letting me create the chart, so which is interesting. Now when I say SQL, I have enabled it and it is showing me the SQL behind it, and I can copy it, and also I can tell it whether it generated it correctly or not. Okay, can you draw a chart on my data? Okay, so it's very generic. So I'm asking it that can you draw a chart for year 2014 and show me number of products sold each month in 2014. Now there is actually this information there, but it seems it is unable to do the month wise, which is a bummer. Now that is fine. Let's check out one of their demos. So maybe I'll go with World Bank. It says show me top 3 countries having this. Okay, I'll just go with this one. Okay, you can print it, you can download it as a CV. That is interesting. I'll say can you draw a chart of this data? No, so I'm not sure why. Maybe I need to switch it on, maybe. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's draw this. Nope. Okay, let's do this. Maybe it will show me the chart. Okay, so what is that? View columns? Nope. Filter table? No. Okay, so it seems chart option is not really having a go at it. Let's check football. Maybe I'll switch it on charts and just show clubs with this. So the tabular form is there, which is quite good. I like that one, which is always hard. Okay, can you, maybe I'll just say draw a line chart of it. Nope. Anyway, so I will stop bugging it. But anyway, I think pretty good tool in terms of talking with the data and providing your own stuff there. And if I click again on new chart, right now it sees that CSV file, Excel, MySQL, Postgres are enabled. Whereas if you only upgrade to their subscription package, you can do the website, Snowflake, Elasticsearch, Redshift, which is a data warehouse in AWS, Google Cloud BigQuery, and your PDF files. Seems pretty good. Anyway, I will drop the link in video's description. Have a go at it. Let me know what do you think. And finally, let me show you pricing. So free one I just showed you. For enterprise, you need to talk to them, I guess, and there are a lot of things in that one. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as that helps. Thanks for watching.